Mandaraki Namaskaram. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for participating this historical groundbreaking ceremony of Hilltop SEC. On behalf of Apache Group and Board of Directors,
The facility that is coming up here would be of 800 crores, giving employment to around about 10,000 people. Hopefully, September 23 would be the beginning of a new dawn in this area. I wish you once again all the very best. All the best.
Finally, I would like to thank all the presence here for making the time to be with us today and helping us make this event grand success. Thank you one and all. May God bless everyone.